the first thing you need to do is to come to this website called INVIDEO AI. I'm going to put the link in the description of the video, and you can use that link and come to INVIDEO AI, or you can just go to INVIDEO AI and create an account. So after setting up your account, you need to have two things. The first thing is you need to have a story idea that you want to talk about. And if you have that story idea, you can just come here and paste it. All right. So I'm going to get my own story idea, and then I'm going to show you the next steps that we need to take. So I came to ChatGPT because I didn't really know the story to talk about. So I just came to ChatGPT and told it to just help me make up a simple story. All right. And then ChatGPT gave me this story. So what I'm going to do now is going to be like an animated movie. All right. So ChatGPT just gave me the summary. I simply told it to give me a summary of an animated story, stuff like that. You can give it to ChatGPT and it will get it done for you, or any AI tool that you prefer. So I'm just going to copy this story, and this is what I'm going to give to the software here to perform the magic. So you can just come here and you can just paste your story, and ordinarily you can just click on generate. But before you click on generate my video, you have a lot of options and a lot of things that you can do, and I'm just going to walk you through them so that you can decide what is best for you. So the first thing is the video version type. So they have different versions, like the latest model is 4.0. If you prefer the older model, you can use 3.0, 1.0, 2.0. However, we prefer the newer thing because we want the modern stuff. So we are just going to leave it to 4.0. So here, if you run a business and you want to create advert, let's say you want to use it to market your business, running advert, or just creating social media content, you can use this, can give it this style, which is to create a user-generated content ad for your product. If you want to create a short video, you can use this one. If you want to make an explainer video, you can also use this one. If you want it to use your script like the one we've given it, or you want to give it a full script, because this is just an idea, this is not a full script, you can click here and you give it your idea. If you want to clone yourself, you can clone yourself right here. And if you click on workflow, you see different things. All right, you can see different workflows from their the workflow here, and you can select different kind of videos that you can create. So if you want all these news videos, you can use this for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. If you want just animated videos, again, if you want it to use your script, if you want an explainer video and short video, and again, the UGC video. If you come here where you can create faceless videos, you have like faceless short videos, script to video, listicles like top 10 videos, faceless explainers, and educational videos, and blog to video, link to video, voiceless videos. We have a lot of them. So again, different kind of video. You can create like a UGC using your own avatar, that's your own self, which means you can give it your own picture and it can just create an avatar for you and talk about your product. You can use your script to create the ad, the UGC ad, and all these ones, they are basically under UGC ad, and UGC is very important for marketing. So if you click on see all, you see everything about the UGC ad. So if you want to create ads, just regular ads for marketing videos, we have a lot of them there. So if you want to create animated videos, which is where we are going to focus on, all right, you can see different kind of animated videos and different format of animations. All right, so here, generative films, you can see different kind of films like short films that are hyper realistic, documentary. If you want to create a documentary, you can use this one here, animated film. And the reason why this is important is because the AI understands this kind of ideas, and it will automatically help you structure it the right way. So this is very, very powerful, and that's why they've listed it all this way. So we are going to be under this animated stuff, create animated video. So you can click on see all and you can see the different kind of animation styles that you can use. So this is the Disney Pixar, and this is the claymation style, this is the Lego style, and anime style, and all of that. So I'm just going to try this one because I saw one video that was so nice like that. So I'm just going to try to use this one. So if you come here, you are just going to again give it your topic, which means you can just type what you want and it's going to understand everything that you want to do and just try to do it for you. But because ChatGPT has helped us, I'm just going to put that prompt here again. All right. So here you can select the duration or how fast you want it to be. So I'm just going to say maybe fast paced, but not really so fast paced. Here you can select where you want to use it, like YouTube, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram. So I'm going to use it for YouTube. All right. Here you can select the settings. You can select if you want it to use their own clip that they generate, or only images that they generate, or stock media. Stock media simply means they can pull out media from website like Pixels, Unsplash, Pixabay, and the rest. So we are going to just allow it to use their own generated clips because that's the entire idea why we are doing this. So the style, again, you can select the style. As you can see, they have different kind of styles: cyberpunk, chibi, mecha, and all of them. So we are going to leave it at this one for now. So you can also ask it to put a background music if you want. You can ask it to put a language. So we are going to use English. But if you want to use another different language, you can come here and you can select the language that you want to use. So we are going to leave it to English. And music preference, you can select the music. All right, I'm just going to allow it to do its thing. Here, if you come here, you click on voice actors, you can select actors. Like if you have like voices, you want it to use either a male or female. So I'm going to allow it decide because again, that's why we are here. And then the voice, again, we are just going to allow it to pick the nice voice and the narrator, but you can basically set all these things if you wanted, but we are lucky to have the AI just do everything for us. So if you wanted to create subtitles, you can just do that here too. So once you are done, you can just come here, click on proceed, and it's going to rewrite the prompt for us. All right. So it's made a complete copy, a new copy of this prompt to fit what we have asked it to do for us. All right. So once you are done, you can basically tell it to generate the video, and it's going to start generating the video. So we click on generate video. So as you can see, this video is creating, and I'm going to give it some time to do the magic. So before it can actually start the creation, you can set the duration. All right, so you can set the duration, want it to be for YouTube, and again, that's basically all we can do for here. All right, so we've selected generative, so it has to generate, and this is the total credit it's going to cost you. So we want to make sure the duration is 24 seconds. We should be able to get more than that, but we are going to work with that for now. So you can just say generate. So as you can see, it's currently generating the video, and you can either wait for it or tell it to notify you once the video is ready. So we are just going to tell it to notify us once the video is ready. So the video is now ready, and there are a few things that this AI did not do so well. And the first one is it didn't give me up to 25 seconds that we asked it to give us, and it just around 13 seconds. So, however, you can, before you download this video, you can come here, you can click on edit, and you can skip the feedback here, and you can edit it if you wanted. So you can edit the media, you can see the different medias right here. So you can basically edit any part of the media that you do not want to use. You can replace it with your own media. You can use stock media. You can use generative media. For instance, let's say you don't like one part of the media, you can basically just tell it to generate. You can see the different ones it has generated. You can apply any of them right there. So these are the info, like the chapters, everything. You can see the duration, the transition speed, the audio volume, and all of that. So I'm going to basically say we are good with this, but if you wanted, again, you can come here, click on the music, you can add music. So it's already added the music for us that is called Ask Rufus. And this is the music right here. You can edit the music if you wanted to. If you want to edit the script again, this is the script basically, and you can edit the script. So we have the settings that we can do, like you can add an overlay if you wanted. You can add transition. The this is audio enhancement and stuff like that. I think we are good right here. So you can basically click on save changes. So like I said, this it didn't give us up to 25 seconds, but this is workable for now because we are currently on the free plan. So you can basically come here, you can see the different resolutions here. You can say probably 180, and you can hit download. So once you want to download, you can download with no watermarks, which would require you to upgrade, but you can download with the stock watermark, and I'm going to show you how to remove it. And also it doesn't allow you to download 1080p when you're on the free plan, so you can use a lesser stuff here. So after selecting what you want, you can just say continue, and your video should be downloaded. So as you can see, it's rendering the video, and this is how you can just use a single prompt to create a video without reprompting and all of that. So I think this tool does a good work, and it basically understands and gives you already made prompt or templates that you can use to create videos. So again, the sad thing I did not like about it, or the sad thing it did, was it didn't give us the ratio that we wanted. So instead of doing it a YouTube ratio, it instead made it a portrait, and it also did not give us the time that we asked for or the duration. So instead of 25 seconds, it gave us around 13 seconds, and that's about that. Of course, if you pay, you are going to get even more features and you can do more things, but this is basically the tool I wanted to show you, and this is how you can use it. I hope this video helps you. Please like the video, subscribe. My name is Noel. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.